and welcome to Sass for Beginners. My name is Steve, and I'll be guiding you through this course. Let's take a look at the lessons we'll be learning. First, we'll start off with a quick introduction to Sass. Then I'll help you install it and set up your dev environment. And finally, go through all the useful features of Sass, such as variables, nesting, partials, and so on. Before we begin, you should have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. And the tools we'll be using will be the Atom text editor, which is what you see I'm using here. And it's not necessary, but it's helpful to install the Browser Plus package in Atom. That's what you see right here on the right-hand panel. This allows you to make changes in your HTML and see them appear in real time without reloading the browser. So here's a quick example. So you just make a change, HTML, hit save, and it shows up in the browser view. If you're on Windows, you'll need the Ruby installer. And if you're on Mac, Ruby is already installed, so you'll just have to run these two commands in the Mac terminal. Don't worry if you didn't get all this. They will be listed below in the description for you. Okay, so let's begin. Lesson 1, Intro to Sass. Sass is a CSS processor, which is a scripting language that extends CSS. So you can write Sass code, and then it compiles into CSS. And then you can just reference the CSS as you would on your website. So the next question you may be asking yourself is, do you need Sass, or why do I need Sass? So as you work on large projects, you'll notice that the CSS can grow and it gets more complex and it's harder to maintain, especially when you're working with a team of developers. So this is where Sass comes in. It has things like variables, mix-ins, and inheritance that help reduce the amount of CSS that you have to write. So this definitely helps with maintenance and speed when building large projects and sites.